Hey community! Welcome to this video. Today, I will tell you about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, what it is, why it's helpful, and how you can start using it. If you run a business and struggle to manage money, sales, or stock, Business Central can make your life easier. Let's get started. What is Business Central? So, what is Business Central? It's a business tool that helps small and medium businesses handle everything in one place: money, sales, stock, and more. With Business Central, you can track your money, see income, expenses, and reports, manage sales, create invoices and track customer orders, check inventory, know what's in stock and when to reorder, plan projects, manage time, tasks, and costs. It also works with Outlook, Excel, and Teams, so you don't have to switch between apps. Why use Business Central? Here's why businesses love Business Central: easy to use, simple dashboard, everything in one place, works anywhere, use it on a computer, tablet, or phone, grows with you, good for small businesses and big companies, saves time, automates boring tasks, so you work faster. If you want to save time and avoid mistakes, this tool is for you. How to get started? Now, let's see how to start using Business Central. Step 1. Get a free trial. Go to the Microsoft website and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Step 2. Set up your business. When you log in, follow these steps. Click Setup Extensions Assisted Setup. Choose Set Up My Company. Follow the easy setup steps. Step 3. Add basic info. Add your team members, set up currency and tax details. Customize your dashboard. Step 4. Upload your data. If you already have customer and product data in Excel, you can import it into Business Central easily. Step 5. Start using Business Central. You're all set. Now you can track your money, create invoices, manage stock and orders. That's how Business Central helps businesses work smarter and faster. If you want to try it, sign up for the free trial today. Have you used Business Central before? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos with SiteSpeak AI.